Make sure to review the installation requirements on screen. Feel free to pause the video and read through the details. Connect the 6 solar panels in series to meet the required voltage input for the system. Then attach your 50-foot quick release MC4 extension cable to the panel array. Need more distance? Connect an additional 50-foot extension cable to extend your reach. Step 2. Begin charging your MyGrid 10K. Keep the output turned off for the most efficient charging. Insert the solar panel cables into the solar input ports. Then turn on the battery breaker in the braking compartment. Turn on the solar input switch and wait for the MyGrid 10K to complete its startup countdown. The LCD display now shows your solar input information in real time. Step 3. It's time to charge the Hyundai Ioniq using the MyGrid 10K. Press and hold the main power button for 5 seconds. Flip on the output breakers inside the braking compartment to deliver power of the EV charger. Let's start with level 1 charging using the standard 120 volt outlet and the Hyundai charging cable. The MyGrid 10K display shows an output of about 1.34 kilowatts, and the Ioniq confirms it's receiving the same. Next, we switch to level 2 charging using the NEMA 1450 plug cord and neutral ground bonding plug for safe, stable power. Now the MyGrid 10K LCD shows 7.43 kilowatts and the Hyundai Ioniq reads 7.5 kilowatts, delivering a much faster charge.